I'm gonna show you how to do this easy peasy spring smoky eye. I'm gonna be using the P. Louise Eyeshadow Base in Vivid Violet. You can pour this onto the back of your hand or onto a palette. And I'm gonna be using a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna use this to apply the base all over my eye. A little bit goes a long way with these guys, so I only got a little bit on my brush, and I'm starting along the base of my eye first, filling up my whole eyelid. Then I'm gonna slowly start blending it up into the crease. Now, when you're working with the base like this, especially one that's waterproof, you wanna do one eye at a time, because if I apply on one eye and then go to my other eye and apply, and then think I'm gonna come back and blend this out, I'm not. It's gonna dry. I'm taking a blending brush. I'm going to quickly do little circles along this edge. I wanna do it before it dries. And don't go over the whole eye, just the edges. And you're gonna begin stretching it out into the crease. This is gonna work no matter what eye shape you have. I want to get a little bit more product because I want to make the crease just a little bit darker, so I am going to use now the fluffy brush, and I'm going to dip it in just in that tip right there, brush off on the edge of the palette so I only have a tiny little bit of product on the brush, and then I'm going to go right into the crease where I want to apply. Notice that I'm holding the brush further down the handle so I don't apply too much pressure. This is going to allow me to deposit less pigment so I can have more control. Next, I'm going to take this color, which is called Snow in Love, and it's a multi-chrome eyeshadow, and I'm going to take the same flat brush that I used earlier and use the side that has no product on it. I want to take my brush going back and forth so I can really load up my bristles with the powder. And then I'm going to go straight on top of my eyeshadow and press it all over. Now, depending on your eye shape, you can fill in your whole eyelid, but because my eyes are a little bit more hooded, I'm going to go slightly over this crease of my eye so I can see the shimmer even when my eyes open. I'm going to get a little bit more product on my brush and just go a little bit higher. To go with the whole lavender look, I'm going to be using this Marc Jacobs fine liner in Mist Me, and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. I'm gonna go a little bit underneath my lashes as well, so it's smoky underneath too. Because this is so light, I wanna add a little bit of definition to my eyes, so I'm taking an eyeliner pencil. This is a L'Oreal Infallible eyeliner pencil in black, and I'm gonna tight line. So I'm gonna go right up here into my waterline and just fill on in. And there you have it, an easy peasy spring smoky eye. I did go off camera and film a TikTok on this 3-step eyeliner technique, and I'll drop that link in the caption below.